Welcome to Polio 24. I'm happy to show you today the new Seagull 1963 Panda with the new column wheel caliber with Swan neck regulation and sapphire crystal. So this is the new Seagull 42mm with Panda dial, and this version has the sapphire crystal, so you can't scratch it. And it comes with a red, black striped pull-through textile strap included, and I provide another black textile strap and a leather strap, and you can choose the color you like. This one is bright brown, and it is also available with dark brown or black or other colors. And here you can see the beautiful Seagull caliber. I opened one watch for you so you can see the details better. Here you can see the Swan neck regulation, and this is the column wheel. So when I push the watch, the column wheel moves forward. So this is the nice new Panda series.